Hey everyone, it's Ben from Snapshades. In this video, I'll show you how to install a rear windscreen shade using method G2, which is a rear windscreen using our new Z clips. In your package, you'll have your shade specific to your car, our regular port clips, as well as our new Z clip and a storage bag. Step 1 is to open the tailgate and insert the shade into the windscreen cavity so it's flush to the glass. If you're happy with how it fits, you won't need any clips. Step 2 is to determine the optimal locations for the Z clips. On this Pajero Sport, we need at least one, but probably two on this top edge to keep it nice and flush to the glass. Step 3 is inserting the Z clips, and you may have to remove the shade once more to get this done. The two wing tabs on the Z clip need to tuck behind the vehicle trim and rest in place like that. Now we can reinstall the shade and guide the frame of the shade over the U-shaped channel on the Z clips. On some vehicles, you won't be able to install the Z clip without releasing the trim. This can happen if the trim is too close to the glass. If this is the case, the top rear windscreen trim can often be released slightly so that you can fit the Z clips and then reinstall. Many cars will simply have a press-fit piece of trim that pops in and out of place. With the windscreen trim now loose, I can install the two Z clips at the top of the shade. Replace the shade into the windscreen cavity. Guide it over the U-shaped channels on the Z clips and refit the trim. Step 4 is inserting port clips if you need extra hold on the shade. On this RAV4, the shade isn't quite flush to the glass yet, so I want to insert a port clip on each side of the bottom window trim to make sure it sits nicely. You might find on your car the window trim doesn't have enough depth to accommodate a port clip. If this is the case, you can simply cut the port clip along the trim line with some scissors. With a trimmed port clip, we can now easily install it and it will sit comfortably. Lower the shade back over the clip, and now the shade sits nice and flush to the glass. If your vehicle isn't compatible with Z clips or you aren't able to remove the top trim, this folded port clip can provide a bit more security than a regular one if you're having troubles with normal port clips falling out. And your installation is complete.